Hi again. Today's topic is... Yes, that's right. We're going to talk about the circular economy and how biocomposites makes products more sustainable. We're just scraping the surface here, so if you'd like to know more, go here. Now, what is the circular economy? The old linear economy works according to the take, make, dispose model. We need to turn this into a circle. So we, as in consumers, businesses, and regulators, we must work together to stop throwing things away because they end up in landfills or worse. We need to start reusing or recycling our products and use more renewable materials. This coat hanger is made from DuraSense by Stora Enso. It's a raw material where as much as possible of the plastic content has been replaced with natural wood fibers. After it's been worn out or broken, and it's hard to break, let me tell you. It can go back to the mill for shredding, which produces new granulates, and finally a new hanger ready for use. And that can be done up to 7 times. But can you do this with plastics as well? Plastics in general loses its properties after the first life cycle. You can only reach about 20 to 30% recyclability. But with DuraSense fibers, they only get better with age. Biocomposites has quite a few environmental benefits compared to plastics. Music! Ta-da! Apart from this, if you look at the overall CO2 emissions from cradle to grave, you will see that biocomposites has a much lower environmental footprint. And the same goes for recycled product. The process of recycling plastic is complex, and that's why plastic often ends up in landfills or to produce energy. However, if the biocomposites end up in a landfill, we don't really want that. The fibers inside the composite mean less microplastics. Biocomposites can also be used to produce energy, just like any other plastic material. Let's take a step back to recycling. Post-consumer plastic waste is difficult to recycle. Even in the Nordic countries, up to 70% is being used to produce energy rather than being recycled. But with the right technology, we can improve our recycling efficiency for both plastic and biocomposite products like DuraSense. We at Stora Enso are working hard for improved waste management systems, allowing for better utilization of both consumer and industrial waste. As a conclusion, we can say that DuraSense is a practical way to embrace the circular economy and start using more bio-based material. So, are you ready to reuse? I'll see you next time. We're also happy to welcome you to our Biocomposite Competence Center in Hylte, Sweden, where you can learn more and have a coffee with us. I'll be back on this topic. What would you like to learn in the future?